Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Domestika app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Domestika is an online learning platform focused on creative courses across design, photography, illustration, marketing, and more. The app offers high-quality video tutorials led by industry experts, project-based learning, and a community space where users can share and get feedback. It supports offline access and features a user-friendly interface for smooth navigation. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is widely appreciated by creatives for its engaging content, well-structured lessons, and the ability to learn at one's own pace. Many users like the quality of instructors and the diverse course selection. Syncing progress across devices adds to its convenience. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While many courses require purchase, previews can be limited. Some users have experienced occasional playback issues or download failures. Also, the app's community features may feel limited compared to dedicated social platforms. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Domestika app may be worth using if you're a creative professional or enthusiast seeking high-quality, affordable courses with flexible learning options. It excels in content quality and ease of use but may not satisfy those looking for extensive free materials or advanced social networking. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.